Creating a structure is the first step in the process of rigging a character using Duick. We create structure, rig this structure. After that, we link this structure to the artwork. Structures are layers that we add to the composition that drives the animation, drives the character. It's like a skeleton of the body. We can create a complete character structure, humanoids, or create a structure for only one limb, or custom structure. Let's have a look. We can click on humanoids. It will create the structure for a complete character, and it will be in the center of the composition, as you can see. We can drive and align this structure and change its position. Let's undo this. We can make a structure for only one limb, for the arm for example. As you see, the structure is created in the center of the composition because we didn't select the artwork. If we selected the artwork, the structure will be created on the artwork. Let's have a look. Let's select them, but in the right order: upper arm, lower arm, then the right hand. Then we will create on the arm. The structure is created on the limb because we selected the limb before creating the structure. If we selected puppet pins, a single structure element will be created for each puppet pin. If we select bezier path, one structure element will be created for each vertex. We can adjust the number of structure elements, choose which type of structure by clicking on this round circle, which is the options of the limb. Then we select which kind of structure are we working on, whether it's plantigrade, human being, digitigrade, which is animals like dogs, cats, dinosaurs, walking birds, or ungulate, which is horses, cattle, giraffes. Each one of these has the shape of the limb, and it contains elements. We can check any part of this structures if we want it or not, then click create. Duick provide us with some useful tools to deal with structures. The first one is toggle edit mode. As you can see, the structures are bound to each other. If I created a structure, rigged it, and connected it to the artwork, and I found that I had made a mistake, and I want to fix these mistakes, and I want to disable the parenting to fix these mistakes without damaging the whole rigging, I can select the structure and modify it. Now imagine that I want to modify this structure. If I move it, it changes the position of the other structures. But if I hold toggle edit mode, I can now change it without changing the following structure. After I finish editing the structure, I click toggle edit mode again. If I want to select all the structure in the composition, sometimes you have many structures for each limb and you want to select them all, you can select structures. You can show and hide them with this icon. After rigging the character, we don't want to see the structure, we want to see the controller only. We can hide them by clicking on this icon. If we want to duplicate the structure, never duplicate or copy and paste the structure in After Effects. Always create new structure or use the duplicate button in the structure panel of Duick. Each structure has a unique identifier expression which won't be updated when you copy and duplicate the structure in After Effects. So please, if you want to duplicate a structure, use this icon. Here the edit icon, which we will change the size of the structure. We can choose custom and say, for example, 50 or 100. 100 is okay for this character. You can also change the color. All the changes made in this panel will affect the selected structure and the creation of all the next other structure. You can also copy the appearance of this structure and paste it in other structures by clicking set. Here comes the big appearance. Big appearance bottles remove all expression used by the structure to set its appearance. After finishing rigging the structure, I recommend baking the appearance of structures, which make the work on the character faster. By default, AutoRig automatically bakes the appearance of structure, but if you use any other option of rigging, you should bake the appearance manually. This is the basic information we want to know about the structure. We will apply all this information and we see it in practical rigging in next lesson. See you later.